Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use web capture in Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. So web capture is basically a form of screenshot, but it's just purely within the Microsoft Edge web browser window itself. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and we can go ahead and jump right into it. So there's a couple different ways to access it. You can use a keyboard shortcut combination, or you can right click on a blank area of the page and then you go down to where it says web capture. I just right clicked on a blank area of the page. You can see the shortcut key combination to access this would be Control Shift and the S key. So if you're more of a keyboard user, you can do that. So from here you can capture a full page, so whatever's on the page here, or you can capture a specific area like the snipping tool, and you can go ahead and just highlight over whatever area of the page you want to capture. And then you can also mark up the capture if you want to actually like do any drawings on it or write on it for any reason. You have a little erase tool, so basically like a paint feature. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and actually save it to your computer. And if we open up the containment file, you can see it's saved as a very common JPEG file extension type. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.